Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then it's really easy. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll learn exactly how to deactivate your account on Facebook. So first things first though, make sure that your Facebook app is completely updated. You can do that by going to the App Store and searching up Facebook and making sure that it's updated. And once you do that, you can head on over to the Facebook app. So let me do that real quick. And once you head into the Facebook app, you'll be brought to the home page right here. Here, you're just going to want to click on the three bars in the bottom right corner of the screen right here. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to your menu page right here. And on your menu page, you're going to want to scroll down a little bit until you see the option for settings and privacy. As you can see, it's right here. Once you open the settings and privacy drop down, then there should be an option for settings. Just click on the settings option. It should be the top option. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page right here. Here, you're going to look for the account subsection and look for the personal and account information. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar in the top right corner as well. But if you do find it, just click on it, and then you're going to want to click on account ownership and control. So just find that option and click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Here, there should be an option for deactivation and deletion. So if you click on that, then it'll bring you to this page right here. It'll ask you which one you want to choose. Choose deactivate account since you want to deactivate your account. And once you do that, just click on continue to deactivate account. So the blue button at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on that, it'll ask you to enter your password. So just do that real quick. And once you do that, click on continue. And it will bring you to this page right here. It'll ask why you are deactivating your Facebook account. You can just put in a random reason if you want to. And from here, it'll give you some different alternatives if you want, and it'll also give you an option to automatically reactivate your account after a certain amount of days has passed. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. However, I'm just going to set it for don't automatically reactivate, because it will reactivate as soon as you log back into your account. So once you do that, go to next, and it'll bring you to this page right here. Here, it'll ask you before you deactivate. You can read through all this, but if you want to keep Messenger while it's deactivated, make sure you turn that on. And you can read through the rest, but once you're done, just click on deactivate my account. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page right here. It'll ask you to put in your email and put in your password. So just do that real quick. And once you do that, you can click on log in. So once you log in, it'll load for a bit. And once it loads, it's kind of glitching right now, so just wait. And I think it's already deactivated actually. So once you just click on deactivate my account, it should be, yep, there we go, section expired. So you might have to close out your Facebook, but as you can see, my account is now deactivated, and to reactivate it, you just log back into your account. So just click on deactivate your account, and then your account will be deactivated until you log back in. So as you can see, it's no longer deactivated, but that is how you deactivate your Facebook account on Facebook. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.